Hey beauties, how are you all doing? So today I'll be sharing with you guys the tucked in method on medium braids. So I'll walk you guys through the process. Alright, so I already have the hair I'll be working with sectioned out, and I'll just grab my extensions. So you just start the braids like you would normally do if you were to braid your hair. The only difference is once you start braiding, you want to make sure that you tuck in your natural hair underneath your extension, so like this. So here we go, get the natural hair, you tuck it underneath the extension, so that way it's not showing. All you're seeing is just the colored extension, not your natural hair. I'll show you guys again. Okay, tuck it in underneath the extension. So you keep doing that as you go on. Once you see the extension, the natural hair showing, you tuck it in again, and then you keep repeating the process. So it's as simple as that. Like, it's pretty easy. You might need to give it a try a few times, maybe 1 or 2 times, and it should be good. Like, I love the way this hair turned out. So you guys keep watching. I won't speed up this video so that way you guys can see it step by step. In case you need to go back or forward, it is up to you. Alright, so my customer's hair is currently permed. So for my natural hair sisters, you might want to get your hair stretched. I have a no heat method of getting your hair stretched video that I will upload soon. But if you don't want to get your hair stretched, you can use the Shine and Jam gel to make your hair stay underneath the extension, because sometimes it might be a little difficult to get your hair to stay if your hair is natural. So you can use the Shine and Jam. That's what I use for my clients with natural hair. Alright, so this is me just repeating the same process again. Once I see my natural hair showing on top of the extension, I tuck it underneath the expression. So you always want your natural hair underneath the expression. So your expression on the top, your natural hair underneath it. Alright, so if you guys like what you've seen so far, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and keep watching. Are you guys ready for the finished look? Ta-da! Yeah, it looks amazing and my client loves it. Yeah. So you guys give it a try. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you would like what you've seen so far. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, to see more content from us. And that's just me putting the hair in hot water so that the ends of the hair can stay put.